Today I am preparing cream puffs. These are the ingredients: 125 grams of butter, 250 grams of water, 175 grams of flour, 6 grams of yeast, 2 grams of salt, and about 6 to 8 eggs, which I will weigh later. Now I will start the dough. I carefully put the water and butter on the stove to gently boil and melt. It's gradually and slowly boiling now, so I will now add the flour. I start by placing the dough onto the heat immediately, ensuring it begins cooking right away. This step is important as it allows the dough to start transforming into a delicious final product. As it cooks for a few minutes, I add a pinch of salt. The salt is sprinkled evenly over the dough while it is still cooking, allowing it to blend perfectly with the other ingredients. This careful timing ensures that the salt is absorbed properly, enhancing the overall taste and texture of the dish. The process requires attention to detail, with each step contributing to a harmonious and flavorful result. After 5 minutes, the dough is cooked. You can see a bit at the bottom that has formed. Cooked dough. Now I put it in another pot and start kneading it with the eggs. Now I begin to knead, adding the eggs slowly. Now I am adding the yeast for baking. I carefully added 8 eggs into the bowl, ensuring each was mixed thoroughly before moving on. I continued mixing for a few more minutes until the dough was perfectly ready. You see that it is not soft. It is not too hard. Now I will show you how very creamy it is. I carefully put the mixture in the bag with its nozzle and prepared the preheated oven to the right temperature. Now I am ready to gently shape them on the trays. I am carefully shaping them on the paper. They are carefully placed in the oven, and I set it to exactly 200 degrees. After 20 minutes, the cream puffs are ready. You will find my cream puffs on the sweet blog.